Namaste to one and all. This is I want to introduce about the Sujok therapy. The Sujok therapy, which can be used for healing the different parts of the body. The whole body is connected to the hand. So these are the different parts of the body which are connected to the things hand. So whenever we give a pressure on particular part, actually we are activating that part. Suppose you are giving a pressure here, we are activating your liver. Suppose you are giving pressure this side near the lungs. This is your throat, this is your head. So this is your digestive system which ends here, and these two are considered as your legs, these are your hands. So nowadays just I am focusing mainly for the people who are suffering with the corona problem. Generally they have problem with the throat and the lungs. This area should be covered. In insect treatment we take only one finger. This is considered as the whole body. So this is the part of the head. These are eyes, nose. This is the part of the first line is the part of the throat. Next is near the lungs, heart. Next coming down to stomach. Then you are coming down to the body. Your hands and legs are as if you are in the mother's womb. Like that, it will be on the upside and downside. This is the back of your body. So we want, if you want to, in Sujok therapy, what we are doing is we are using the seeds. These seeds have life force of energy. What is meant by life force of? There is a difference between the acupuncture and Sujok therapy. In acupuncture, we give different pressure points. So pressure at different points. So by using some sort of this kind of instruments, we use to give pressure at different parts of the body. Whereas in Sujok therapy, we use seeds. These are methi seeds, mostly generally used for all kinds of ailments. So generally we feel that these methi seeds, they have life force of energy. So when you are soaking in the water, ground, the plant is coming from the seed. So it's having life force of energy. So these from the life force of energy from these seeds, the energy is going to the pressure points. So we are using the methi seeds. In general we use methi seed and different kinds of seeds like rajma seeds for kidneys. It's a complementary treatment. You cannot say that it is a completely this thing. Along with the other treatments like medication, if you use this kind of treatment, generally the relief will be the faster. So this is the tape you are going to use for the Sujok therapy. This is surgical tape. You can buy in the shop. It may be 100 rupees or something like that. So when we are using Sujok therapy, actually we have to put the seeds like this. We have to fill the seeds like this first. This is one step. So you have to keep it ready. After giving the pressure on pressure points, then you can paste this. See, this is the pressure point where you are giving the pressure. So suppose these are the lung points. Actually this kind of instruments may or may not be available. Online you may get. I have only one. So generally I use this. Here we can give a pressure point. If you don't have this kind of any instruments, you can use hand. You can give a pressure with your hand also. And otherwise, if you want to know the correct point of the pressure, so when you are giving a pressure at a particular point, shooting pain you feel wherever you have any problem. So suppose you have problem with the throat, you have problem with the lungs. So when you are pricking like this, at a particular point you will feel the shooting pain. Suppose you have headache at one particular point. If I am giving a pressure like this at a one particular point, whether it's right or left, so you will have a shooting. So this is the right side of the body, this is the left side of the head, and these two are the eyes, and this is your eyes, nose and mouth, like that how we used to play during the childhood time, keeping all the signals. Actually it is very, very true. When you have headache, generally we have feeling of sensation in the. I experienced all these things before knowing about this Sujok seed therapy. So whenever I used to give healing to others, I used to have a feeling at sensation at different points. These different points at different places, like sometimes in the, suppose they are having head points, so I used to feel they have heart problem. So these are the sensations where we feel even for others and for yourself. So you can use this matchstick or this toothpick needles. If you give a pressure at the particular point, generally you will feel at a particular point if pain. So that is your problem area. Then we have to give a, this is mainly I'm concentrating on the people who are having corona problem. So corona problem people generally they have a problem with the throat and lungs. So give even the people they don't get corona also, just you activate your lung parts and your throat area. So give a pressure on your throat area regularly and give a pressure on your lungs. These are the two important points. Along with that, if any other problem if you have, you can give a pressure, particular problem, you can give a pressure to that point. This is the hand where we have Sujok therapy. This is called Sujok therapy. This is connected with the head and the spine, and this is liver. This is these are the two legs and hands. So everything is connected with the whole hand. So in this Sujok therapy, we are using, just activate that part like this, or you can use any pressure point. Then after that, just you can give, but here it is not convenient to paste the seeds like this. It is not a convenient. If you can paste, you can paste, but it is not very convenient to paste. So there we are using the insect body. So this whole finger is used as a one body. So when we are rotating like this, it is activating your this thing, or you can give a pressure like this. So this is your throat and these are your lungs. So now where we are concentrating is our throat and lungs part. So now this seed therapy, the seeds what we have pasted on this one side of the gum, that we can paste it on the first line where we have seen this first line. There you can paste the front and the back side also you can cover. Front and back side of the lungs. So you can, after keeping like this, it should not be like how stop the blood circulation. So if you keep like this, this is the way. And before going to sleep or after taking bath, whole day you can keep like this. This is one more extra added therapy for corona people. The lungs part which is covered like this, actually you will feel the sensation as if something is sucking inside the skin. So that is a feeling, and you can continue this feeling, and it will help you in fast healing of your lungs. I wish all of you will practice, and if you want you can tell your friends to know the people who are suffering with the corona. You can pass on it. So this is different parts, different areas which are covered. At present I am concentrating mostly on the lungs area. Lungs and throat area. This is the lungs and throat area where we are concentrating, and in the feet it is here and here in the hand, and if you are taking on finger, it is only on one finger, insect finger. This is considered as the whole body. So thank you. Hope you will enjoy it and make use of it. I am very thankful, grateful to God for learning this kind of courses, grateful to my gurus. Thank you.